macOS Recovery allows you to install or reinstall certain operating system on your Mac. We here at Tronics Center are going to run you through the 3 options provided to you by Mac. There are a few things you are going to need for this process. The first is administrator password or firmware password. Meeting these is contingent on if your Mac is set to need an administrator access to make changes. The essential component is an internet connection. Make sure your Mac is connected before starting this process, and then if you have MacBook, it is best to have it plugged in to access macOS Recovery. You'll want to turn on your Mac and immediately press and hold one of the following key combination until you see startup screen. If you press and hold Command R, this will restore the latest OS that wasn't installed on your Mac. If you are looking to move on to the most recent macOS available for your Mac, press and hold Option Command R. The final combination is Shift Option Command R. This will reinstall the OS that originally came with your Mac. If that operating system isn't available, this command will install the next available OS. After inputting one of these commands, you might be asked for that administrator or firmware password. Next you will see the macOS Utilities windows, which indicates the macOS Recovery has started. From here you can choose whether you want to erase your disk. If you do, select Disk Utility and then Continue. Before start erasing the head drive process, please make sure that backup your Mac data, because after erasing your Mac, all data will be wiped and you won't be able to recover your data. Whether you wipe your disk or not, to reinstall your macOS, select Reinstall macOS, then click Continue. The next prompt will ask where you want to install the OS, so select your preferred disk. If the installer can't find your disk, you might need to use the disk utility to wipe it first. At this point the installation might ask you to enter the password you used to log into your Mac. Do that and your work is done. The installer will take it from there. Don't put your Mac to sleep, and if you have a MacBook, leave it open, make sure it is plugged in. If your Mac restarts a few times or you see a blank screen for a couple of minutes, don't worry, it's a part of processes. We do also have most electronics brand components in stock, such as Apple Mac LCD, top case keyboard, SSD, logic board and more for immediate shipping. Visit our website www.tronicscenter.com and contact us on support@tronicscenter.com or support@bazarzone.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.